Hello everyone guys, this is the new beginner Aldrich, and I will be teaching how to make Pi Network run on a Windows computer. A lot of technologies that will allow such a mobile phone to emulate or simulate on the Windows or Mac OS computer. Even the Android OS Google Chromebook can be able to make this work. However, on this tutorial, I will give you a proof that we can make it run with the Pi network on a Windows computer. For those people who doesn't know why I'm going to make this video, probably you don't have the Windows or Mac computer that you have a Pi network on your phone. The Pi network node does not allow you to mine Pi network coins on a computer. So therefore, what if you have missed your phone or lost your phone, for instance, but I do hope it's not going to happen. You you might I might be able to say that there are things that you don't want to happen, but what if the phone on the Pi network suddenly forgotten or misplaced or lost? Therefore, what will happen with the Pi network coins that you have mined already so far? Good thing here is there are technologies or softwares that allow you to run your phone on your computer, which is best example here is the Android emulator called BlueStacks. Although there are other Android emulators that are competing with each other, I would prefer BlueStacks because it's low consumption on hardware resources, RAM, GPU, and other stuff. It's much better than the other rest of it. Although there are other Android simulators or emulators that has better design than this one, but I still go with the BlueStacks because of its performance. Uh, so we'll jump into the BlueStacks website. I will show you the BlueStacks website, and for on my end, it's already downloaded. This is the homepage, bluestacks.com. You can even try to search it on Google or on the Bing, but it's very easy to memorize the website bluestacks.com. This is their legitimate design. Here, the download retry. It was technically this page. Uh, let's assume that this will be okay. So this is the one. The latest version is BlueStacks 10. This is for the Android 14 emulator already. Uh, you can download it for free. You don't need to purchase anything. There's no hidden charges. So this is the download page of the BlueStacks. Earlier, it was the home page itself of the entire BlueStacks. And there are other versions, lower versions of the BlueStacks, which is the 5 and the 4. But as you can see, there are also uh, BlueStacks for 64-bit Android 11 OS. Other things are for Mac OSs as well. Uh, but for BlueStacks 10, it's everything. Everything is right there, right at your computer screen. And now, since I have already installed my part of the BlueStacks, I will go to the page that will show you this. Okay, so on my end, it's already installed about the Pi network in the Pi browser itself. Uh, Let me remind you that this tutorial will also contain what if the uh, you cannot sign into the Google Play Store due to a two-factor authentication issue and you cannot sign in. You missed your phone, and that's the only way that you can able to sign into your new device. So in this tutorial, I will tell you that there is an alternative way that you can install an application to BlueStacks or other and or any other Android or iOS simulators or emulators. You can download it the application itself from the website, which is the uptodown.com. Let me pull up the main web page of the uptodown.com, or you can even try to search it on Google that you can download APK without signing into Google Play Store. So here you can try to install Pi network with which is outside the Google Play Store. So therefore you can now download it and install it without signing to any Google account, if and only if you're not able to sign in. Otherwise, you can download it directly from the Google Play Store without any problems. So let's assume on my end it's already downloaded. Okay, so let's try to open it up. Alright, wait, sorry, what I mean is this, okay, you will see that if you're installing the application outside the Google Play Store, right, it's downloading, it will ask of you to install it. Okay, so let's assume that this is the one. We'll download it, and then you will see something. Okay, let's try to open it. You will see something like this. Do you want to install an update to this existing application? Since mine is already existing, we can directly install it, so it does not require any additional steps anymore. Okay, so once we open it, there we go. It's like a normal phone right at your computer screen. Okay, and yeah, you need to also sign in with your Facebook or phone number registered to your Pi network account. So on my end, it's already installed and connected with the with the login session. Therefore, we'll just need to run the Pi browser, since the Pi browser is also already installed on this device. On my end, we'll just need to let you know that some of you might not be able to distinguish that most of the computers does not have the fingerprint scanning capability. Here, by default, when you try to unlock your Pi wallet, you need to have your 24-word passphrase or the fingerprint scanner. But this time around we don't have the fingerprint scanner, so you will only have unlock with passphrase. uh, I will not show that to you, but rest assured that this is gonna be working. So other than that, you can see here there are other things that you can explore here, even the KYC, um, even the Fireside Explorer. Yes, it's all working like a normal phone, and that's what I'm about to tell you entirely, that we can run Pi Network on any computer using this method of running the Android application or iOS application. And as you can see here, let's try to pick up one test testnet for ecosystem. As you can see, it is right here. Everything is working fine. Let's try to open the app. Yep, okay. And that's it. Alright, let's try to test a little bit more. Okay, let's go to home. And there we have it. I do hope that it will resolve the issue about how to make Pi Network to mine over the computer. And that's it for today, and thank you so much.